Chief Minister Y. Kim Chan presented incentive cash awards to the medalists and participants of the Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games and distributed appointment orders to gold medalists of the 36th and 37th National Games during a felicitation ceremony held at the Kuman Lampag Indoor Stadium in Imphal. The function, organized by Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Department, was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho, Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal, several MLAs and officials of the YAS Department. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Y. Kim Chan shared his joyous moment regarding the opening of the medal account by a Manipuri player in the recently concluded Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games. He attributed the success of the Manipuri players and Manipur's position as a sports powerhouse in the country to the sincere efforts of the local guardians and sports enthusiasts in the state. The Chief Minister further announced the introduction of a special recruitment policy for the state's silver and bronze medal winning players who were left out in today's distribution of appointment orders. Now, during the function, incentive cash awards, certificates and mementos were distributed to 11 medalists and participants of the Commonwealth Games, including Saiko Mirabai, Rishikanta Chanambam, Mandengbam Jadumani, Sorokhaibam Bindyarani, and 3 coaches. Incentive prizes were also presented to Ariha Pangambam, who won a gold medal in the recent Asian aerobic gymnastics, and Lintoy Chanambam, who secured the world #1 spot in the recent World Junior Judo Championship. Appointment orders for various state government services were also distributed to 71 players who won gold medals in the 36th and 37th National Games.
Special recruitment for Group C and D. To Sarita Sports Secretary, Sports Director, entire Sports Department, Sarita Masayona. Home Department begging seat 5% of sports quota is Madu Turana Kaidoganda first Manipur, second Manipur, IRB Kanosinga, Tuanga event Amamam, Tamnaganda. Say Tarani Pantagina Kurumba, Bogi Municipal Equipment Mobile. As part Magis Hanabagi medal record to be accordingly.